Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best A1502 charger is probably one of the most essential accessories for your MacBook Pro, ensuring that your powerful machine stays charged and ready for action, whether you're working on a critical project, enjoying your favorite media, or simply staying connected. This charger is designed to provide a reliable and efficient power source, making it an indispensable tool for any MacBook Pro user who depends on their device throughout the day. Number 5. NSPENCM A1502 MacBook Pro Charger. Introducing the NSPENCM A1502 MacBook Pro Charger, designed to power your device efficiently. It offers a stable and reliable charging experience, just like the original. This charger is compatible with a wide range of MacBook Pro models from mid-2012 onwards. Please check the list to ensure it's the right fit for your device. Experience a secure and easy connection with its T-tip magnetic connector. It snaps into place quickly and disconnects safely if pulled, protecting your laptop. Equipped with built-in IC chip technology, it provides comprehensive protection against overcurrent, overheating, short circuits, and overloads for safe charging. Its mini-cube design makes it perfect for storage and travel. The LED indicator lets you know when it's charging, amber, or fully charged, green. We prioritize your experience with a 30-day return and exchange service. Contact us with any issues, and we'll respond within 24 hours. What we like. This charger features a compact cube design, making it incredibly easy to store and perfect for travel. Its T-tip magnetic connector ensures a secure and quick connection, while the LED indicator conveniently shows your charging status. If you prioritize portability and a reliable, straightforward charging experience, this is a great choice for your older MacBook Pro. What people say. It charges my MacBook quickly and holds a consistent charge without any issues. The charging speed is just as good as the original, and I haven't noticed any lag or drop in performance. It also doesn't overheat, which was something I was concerned about, especially when using it for longer periods. The appearance is very similar to the original charger. If I didn't know it was a replacement, I wouldn't be able to tell the difference. It feels solid and well-made, not flimsy or cheap. Not only does it offer remarkable value, but its charging efficiency is outstanding. I've observed consistently rapid charging times for both my iPad and iPhone, quickly powering up devices when time is of the essence. Beyond its speed, the build quality stands out. It feels robust and resilient, designed to withstand daily handling, which is a major plus for anyone seeking durability without a premium price tag. Number 4. Qiyezinuo A1502 T-tip MacBook Pro Charger. Ensure your MacBook Pro stays powered up with this A1502 T-tip charger. It's designed for a wide range of models from 2012 to 2017, offering seamless compatibility. The magnetic T-tip connector makes charging easy and secure. It snaps into place quickly and disconnects safely if pulled, keeping your device protected. Charge with confidence thanks to built-in overcurrent, overheat, and short-circuit protection. High-quality materials ensure efficient and reliable power delivery. Its compact cube design is perfect for storage and travel. The durable TPE cable resists fraying and wear, ensuring long-lasting use. An LED indicator on the connector shows your charging status at a glance. Amber means it's charging, while green indicates a full battery. We prioritize your satisfaction. If you encounter any issues, contact us for a prompt response and solution within 24 hours. What we like. This option boasts a wide compatibility range, covering many MacBook Pro and Air models from 2012 to 2017. The cable is constructed from durable TPE material for enhanced longevity, and it includes robust safety features to protect your device. If you need a charger for a slightly older MacBook and value a durable build with comprehensive protection, this one is worth considering. What people say. It charges my MacBook Pro quickly and consistently, with no overheating or warning messages popping up. The T-tip fits securely, and the cord feels sturdy, not flimsy or cheap. It's compatible with multiple MacBook Pro sizes, which gives me peace of mind if I upgrade or need to use it with another laptop in the house. Number 3. 140W USB-C to magnetic 3 cable 6.6 feet. Experience fast and efficient charging with our 140W USB-C to magnetic 3 cable. It's designed to power up your devices quickly and reliably. Enjoy a secure and stable magnetic connection that prevents accidental disconnections. Say goodbye to fumbling with cables and tripping hazards. With an extra-long 6.6-foot length, you can charge your device from a comfortable distance. Its braided design ensures unmatched durability and resistance to fraying. Rest assured with built-in safeguards that protect your device from overvoltage, overcurrent, and short circuits. It's a reliable accessory designed for longevity. This cable is crafted for a seamless and stylish charging experience with your MacBook. Its durable silicone sheath adds an extra layer of protection for daily use. It's the perfect companion for your modern MacBook, offering both performance and aesthetics. Enjoy a reliable charging solution that's built to last. What we like. This charging cable offers a high 140W power output, ensuring fast and efficient charging for newer MacBook models. It uses a USB-C to magnetic 3 connection and features a long, braided cable for flexibility and durability. If you have a recent MacBook Air or Pro and need a powerful, long, and robust charging solution, this is an excellent modern option. What people say. Its performance is impressive, the cable is rubber reinforced at both ends, and my 16-inch MacBook Pro 2025 charges both fully and trickle without any issues or compatibility problems. The magnetism is also strong and won't come off easily. I'm impressed with the quality, just like the one in Apple. Unlike many cheaper alternatives, this feels sturdy right out of the box. The material is thick and doesn't feel like it will fray or snap with regular use. So far, magnetic connection is solid, charges fast, and there are no signs of wear or loosening at the ends. The build quality feels premium, with a braided design that adds durability and prevents tangling. The magnetic MagSafe connector snaps into place easily and securely, providing peace of mind when charging. At 2 meters, the length is very convenient for use in different setups. Also, after 3 months of using, this cable is still reliable and looks like new. Number 2. A1502 MacBook Pro Charger, Fast Charging Replacement Adapter. Experience lightning fast charging with our A1502 power adapter. It's designed to quickly power up your MacBook Pro and Air, getting you back to work in no time. This is the second-generation T-tip magnetic connector, ensuring a secure and reliable connection. The integrated LED light shows your charging status at a glance. It's engineered to be compatible with a wide range of MacBook Pro and Air models from mid-2012 onwards, including 13, 15, and 17-inch Retina displays. Equipped with built-in IC chip technology, it offers comprehensive protection against overload, short circuits, and overheating for safe and worry-free charging. We stand by the superior quality of our chargers, ensuring a strong magnetic connection every time. Enjoy a pleasant experience with our excellent after-sales support. With an input range of AC 100-240V, this adapter is perfect for use anywhere in the world. It efficiently converts power to meet your device's needs. What we like. This charger is designed for fast charging and features a T-type connector with a strong magnetic connection, ensuring it stays put. It includes built-in IC chip technology for comprehensive protection against various electrical issues. If you're looking for a reliable replacement charger for your compatible MacBook Pro or Air and appreciate a secure magnetic connection, this is a solid choice. What people say. The charging speed and functionality seem typical for a charger. It works like a charm. The cords wear out and get frayed, this worked great as a replacement. Charged my battery quickly. Number 1. A1502 MacBook Pro Charger, Fast Charging Replacement Adapter. Experience lightning fast charging with our A1502 adapter. It's designed to power up your MacBook Pro quickly and efficiently. This second-generation adapter features a convenient T-tip magnetic connector. It ensures a secure and easy connection every time. Keep track of your charging status at a glance. The built-in LED light turns red while charging and green when fully charged. It's compatible with a wide range of MacBook Pro and Air models from mid-2012 onwards, including 13, 15, and 17-inch Retina displays. Rest assured with built-in IC chip technology. It provides protection against overload, short circuits, and overheating for safe operation. We ensure a strong magnetic connection and rigorous testing for every charger. You can count on its reliability and durability. We are committed to providing superior quality and excellent customer service. Contact us with any questions, we'll respond within 24 hours. What we like. This charger is designed for fast charging and features a T-type connector with a strong magnetic connection, ensuring it stays put. It includes built-in IC chip technology for comprehensive protection against various electrical issues. If you're looking for a reliable replacement charger for your compatible MacBook Pro or Air and appreciate a secure magnetic connection, this is a solid choice. What people say. The charging speed and functionality seem typical for a charger. It works like a charm. The cords wear out and get frayed, this worked great as a replacement. It's compact, it feels nice. It's also much lighter than the original MacBook charging box. The length of the cable is pretty good. Overall, I'd say the charging speed is on par if not slightly faster than the original charging brick. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.